Did you know that yoga was originally practiced by men thousands of years ago, but now, over 70% of yoga practitioners around the world are women? Yep, girl power took over the mat. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, your space to grow, glow, and feel good. Today, we're diving into something that's close to my heart and so powerful for your body and mind, the amazing benefits of yoga. Whether you're in your 20s, juggling work and dreams, or in your 30s and 40s, balancing family, career, or just life itself, this one's for you. 1. Mental health magic. Let's start with the mind. Yoga is like a warm hug for your mental health. It helps reduce stress, anxiety, and even symptoms of depression. Just 10 minutes a day can calm your nervous system and make you feel more grounded. Who doesn't need a little peace in today's fast-paced world? 2. Flexibility and strength. Now, let's talk about that beautiful body of yours. Yoga improves flexibility, strengthens your muscles, and protects your joints. You don't need to be bendy like a pretzel to start. Every little stretch helps. And guess what? The strength you build in yoga is not just physical, but emotional too. 3. Hormonal balance and women's health. Here's something especially important for us women. Yoga supports hormonal balance. It helps with PMS, menopause symptoms, and even fertility. Certain poses like child's pose and legs up the wall are magic for your reproductive health. Your body truly thanks you for it. 4. Better sleep and energy. Can't sleep? Too tired to even think? Yoga can help with both. Practicing gentle evening yoga helps you fall asleep faster and sleep deeper. And morning yoga boosts your energy and focus without needing that third cup of coffee. 5. Inner confidence and connection. The most beautiful benefit, yoga connects you to yourself. It builds self-love, confidence, and body awareness. When you spend time on the mat, you learn to listen to your body, accept where you are, and love yourself a little more every day. So whether you're a busy mom, a career woman, or figuring life out in your 20s, yoga is your best friend. It's not about being perfect. It's about showing up for yourself, one breath at a time. If this inspired you, hit that like button, share it with a friend who needs a little yoga love, and don't forget to subscribe for more feel-good content. And hey, if you already practice yoga, let me know in the comments what it's done for you. Until next time, take a deep breath, stretch a little, and remember, your mat is always there, waiting for you.